Well, good Tuesday afternoon, everybody. Meteorologist Greg Majewski back with you here in the North Georgia Majestic Weather Studios with your weather update here on your November the 18th, 2025. Well, things looking pretty good across North Georgia this afternoon. Can't complain. Sunshine. Got some nice warm temperatures that are even going to get warmer on Wednesday and Thursday. Some record highs could be challenged. Then we're going to see a threat of some rain a little bit for the weekend, but looks like more substantial rains probably going into next week. And we're tracking a cold front now that may be coming in around the Thanksgiving Day holiday. We'll show the latest on that here in just a second. Now, if you live anywhere across North Georgia and your first time you come across us here on YouTube, please consider us making this part of your YouTube feed. All you got to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're alerted on future content. And as always, if you ever have a weather-related question, please don't hesitate to post it down below. All right, let's go ahead and take a live look there in Dahlonega. Looking pretty good. A lot of sunshine here for the afternoon. A few high clouds moving on here this afternoon. Also looking great down at Lake Lanier. Winds are pretty calm out there, as you can see out there over the lake. Radar remains clear, but we do have an advisory out there for no unnecessary burning. The fire weather statement out there due to the warm temperatures and the low humidity. It's been on the dry side. We do have some drought conditions across North Georgia, so please stay away from any heavy burning or anything like that right now. We are expecting a few showers tonight, but really not enough to really help us out in the drought department there. All right, looking at the satellite picture, we are looking pretty good this afternoon. We just got a few clouds going to sneak in here for tonight. Again, a few spotty showers possible overnight during the early morning hours and into tomorrow morning, but that's going to be about it. Really not amounting to much. Again, the big story is going to be the fact that, normal high is supposed to be right around 63 degrees or so, and we're shooting into the 70s this afternoon once again. So these above normal temperatures are going to be sticking around here, not only for today, they're going to kind of linger the next week as well. So you're seeing like there's 76 degrees in Rome right now. You got 70 over there near the Gainesville area. So it is pretty warm out there. And again, they'll be warmer still going into Wednesday and Thursday. Looking at your model data here for tonight. Again, the NAM showing a few spotty showers here across North Georgia. Couldn't rule out maybe a stray shower before 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, but then the rest of the day tomorrow is looking pretty good. Sunshine and continuing with this above normal temperature trend here for a little while. Now, as we go ahead and talk about what's ahead going in toward your Thanksgiving Day holiday, a couple things I want to point out. Looks like the Europeans trying to build in another wedge in here across our area into Wednesday. You see the kind of a warm up here out ahead of it. So we're going to watch that closely. That's going to be challenge number one. Challenge number two is going to be what happens with this front coming on through. So there's the warm up Wednesday afternoon. You see the wedge in place across northeast Georgia. And then this front comes in going in toward your Thanksgiving Day holiday. So depending on the timing, could be in the 60s, could be cooler depending on the exact timing on this, but it is pressing on through. And then it looks like we're cooler into Friday. Now, we'll say this, the overnight run was much, much colder than what's showing up for the afternoon run. So we've still got questions on the timing of the front, how much rain we're going to get, and how cold it's going to be. I know those are kind of big ones, but we're kind of narrowing down our window here going into Thursday and Friday time frame. So it looks like a little bit sooner than what the models were indicating just a few days ago. So we'll continue to track that. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at your forecast here as we go through the next 7 days. Kind of watch that timestamp there on the top as we go into your Wednesday. Again, a few showers overnight possible tonight. Wednesday looking pretty good. And as we go into Thursday, not looking too bad here as we got high pressure across the southeast. A lot of rain storms out to the west. Looks like we're going to have some rain coming in, going in towards your Friday and Saturday. So Friday, we're going to bring in the wet weather here because there's wet weather coming on Friday and Saturday. And then Sunday, not looking too bad. Sunday's looking all right. And I think we're pretty good for Monday and Tuesday as well. Tuesday might bring in some rain in here, but I'm going to hold off with the rain chances on that just yet. And we'll wait and see about that for right now. All right, so let's go look at your forecast here for tomorrow. Gainesville, Wednesday, 76-54. Again, a few morning showers possibility probably before 8 o'clock. It's going to clear on out, but should see building sunshine for the afternoon. Not looking too bad there. Overnight lows much warmer than they were this morning. We still had temperatures down to near freezing, for example, in Blairsville. Don't think we do that tonight. Most areas down in the 50s for tonight with the west wind. A few showers, especially across those northern counties. And then daytime highs tomorrow, most everybody in the 70s, even upper 70s over there toward Rome, 79, 77 in Marietta, 74 in Dahlonega. So well above the norms for this time of year. Regionally looking like this, 75 in Nashville, 82 in Columbus, 82 in Jackson. How about 80 in Savannah? So again, everybody looking at some warm weather here on the days ahead. Next 7 days, here we go. Above normal temperatures right into Friday. There's our rain chance coming in. Again, rain chance for Gainesville probably coming in that night. Okay, during the day we're okay. Nighttime coming a little bit earlier. The northwest zones may get it a little bit sooner, so we'll just kind of play that by ear. So late in the day on Friday, Friday night, Saturday with some scattered storms. And then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, right now, I got the rain chances off right now, but we stay on the mild side straight into next week. And then we're going to track down that timing on the rain coming in on Wednesday and Thursday. Of course, that's important because Wednesday's a very busy travel day, so we're going to watch that closely. And then what kind of cool down do we get on Thanksgiving Day? Does it stay mild? Is it, because up until just like yesterday, it looked like we were going to have the cold air coming in on Friday. Now it's coming a little bit sooner. So we just got to fine tune that timing. We're still not inside that 7-day window. In a couple days, we should be able to get that shot group tightened up a little bit. Again, I appreciate you guys checking us out here on the YouTube channel. If you haven't given us a subscribe, please do so at this time. It'd be an honor and a privilege to be one of your weather sources. All right, you guys take it easy, be good, stay safe, and we'll see you tomorrow. You guys have a great day.